What's up, y'all? Welcome to today's session. Um, I still don't know if this mic is good or not, but yeah, let's go into it. So, coming to the day, I was in between conditions. We ended up sweeping into a bearish and a bullish hourly gap. Prior to this, so we were already in this hourly, and then we end up sweeping into another bearish hourly. So it's kind of like trading in between conditions. So what can we do here? We basically create a data high and data low wick based off of PPI at 830. So that was good. So my condition was based on like whether or not we swept this or that. So coming to today, we see that we ended up sweeping. You can see here, right? So data highs towards the data low, and then data low towards the data highs. So as you can see, we swept data highs, and we also swept into Asian highs up above right here. We swept into this hourly intermediate high as well as this 15-minute or yeah, 15-minute right here. And from there, what do we see? We see a 2-minute inversion to the downside right after for this trading leg right here. So we entered off of here, and then our target was basically buy side liquidity down all the way down here towards the data lows and all this low resistance liquidity right here. So what happened? Basically, I went break even here because of this 1-minute intermediate low. And then as you can see here at 9:45, ES ended up sweeping it early, creating this SMT, short-term SMT. And so I said, okay, cool, we'll just move our stop to break even. And then unfortunately, we got stomped out. And then price just continued in our direction. I actually placed a trade on MNQ, and everything was similar. We just ended up getting stomped out and then continuing lower towards our TP. It sucks. There weren't really any entries. Oh my gosh, sorry. There weren't really any other entries besides this one. This one was just based off of like ES sweeping this buy side liquidity, and then we get an immediate like 1-minute reaction, which would have hit our TP, but I didn't really have good conviction in it. But yeah, that's basically really all that happened today. Um, it sucks. I mean, I'll be honest, it sucks, but I think at the end of the day, we just gotta remember our goal is just to be profitable in the long term. And I mean, for me personally, like coming into the week, I started off pretty weak, but now like I actually entered a trade that I was confident in, and I mean, it sucks that I got break even, but it is what it is. We just got to keep finding good setups and keep back testing. But yeah, just we gotta find our motivation and meet our standard for ourselves for the day and for every day actually. Just keep moving forward and being better than the person I was yesterday. But yeah, that's it.